Welcome to Tech Talk English. Today we are dealing with in spite of and despite. Have you ever started writing a sentence, go to the word despite and pause because you weren't sure if you needed to add the word of with it? Or maybe you wrote in spite of and wondered if it meant something totally different? You are not alone. These are the most commonly confused words in English. But by the end of this video, you will use them like a native speaker. Before we look at the grammar, here is the big secret. They mean exact the same thing. Both are used to show contrast, meaning even though something else happened. The only difference is how they are spelled. Let's break down the rules so you never get a red mark on your writing again. Here is the golden rule. What is that? That is both despite and in spite of are prepositions. This means that they must be followed by either a noun, a pronoun like this, that, or it, or a verb ending in ing. They can never be followed immediately by the full subject and a normal verb. Let's get it cleared through examples. See despite first. Look at the sentence. Despite the rain, she went for a walk. Here, the rain is a noun. Perfect. But what people get wrong is while they say, despite it was raining. No, that is not correct. That is wrong. Because that is a full clause. Keep it simple. Use a noun or an ing verb. Like, despite being tired, she finished the race. There, people go wrong when they say, despite she was tired, she finished race. Then the sentence is grammatically wrong. The correct sentence is, despite being tired, she finished race. Now let's look at in spite of. It follows the exact same rule, but it requires separate three words. In spite of the loud noise, he slept well. Here is the number one trap to avoid. Never say despite of. Despite travels completely alone. In spite always brings off along for the ride. But what if you really want to use a full sentence, a subject and a verb afterward? Here is your grammar cheat code. Just add the phrase the fact that. For example, despite the fact that it was raining, we went outside. By adding the fact that, you can use any normal sentence you want right after that. It's time to test your brain with a quiz. Dash having no money, he bought a coffee. Fill in the blank choosing the correct one.
3, 2, 1.
If you choose the correct one, that is B, despite, you have nailed it. That means you are correct. Why? Because having is an ing verb and despite doesn't use of. If you wanted to use in spite of, that would work too. That also is correct. Then the sentence would be, in spite of having no money, he bought a coffee. Drop your quiz score in the comments below. If this cleared up your confusion, hit that like button and subscribe for more 5 minutes English breakthroughs. Keep practicing, and until I see you in the next video, bye bye. Thanks for watching.